Alrighty, speed. Here's another one of your 427 small block Ford. Use Christmas combinations. We've got a set of our CNC cylinder heads on it. Always the higher end. Custom ground hydraulic roller. Also front sump wall pins all blacked out. Fuel management, Holiday Terminator X. We're gonna make a run. Stay tuned. Dyno 3600, 458 foot-pounds of torque, peak score 528, peak horsepower 571. Everything's good. We'll pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things here. When you speed it in, by this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card full of technical information. Great. We'll be this in the spec sheet, and it's got a lot of data on it. I highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.